G'day everyone. Today I'm working with the lovely Rebecca. Say hi, Rebecca.
Hi.
And Rebecca's Instagram is Mola. Now we'll put that down below so you can subscribe to her if you like. She's just starting her Instagram, so please follow her. She'll love it, and she's got some great images on there as well. Now today I'm going to be using the Sigma 135mm. And what I'm doing, we're going to walk around this whole property, which is the Lavandula Swiss Italian farm. We're going to try it in multiple lighting scenarios, so we'll have it backlit in quite dark areas, and I'll be also using off-camera flash as well. Apart from that, let us know what you think about the images. So we'll have a look at the shoot now.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. Ooh, all I do is close my eyes. Ooh, it's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, I'm spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, I'm spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do.
So I hope you really like the images. I'm really impressed with how they looked. I mean, I only saw them in the back of the camera, but they did seem to look beautiful, and I really like the look of them. The contrast of the Sigma lens is really beautiful. It worked really well. And the thing is, you can shoot these lenses at 1.8 without really any loss at all, which is fantastic. Now, you do have to step a fair way back from your subject. So if you are working in very, very tight areas, it may not work, and that's something you've got to consider. But it does have quite a close focusing if you're trying to get head and shoulders, so you can shoot that way if you like, and there's a number of those that I showed in the video as well. So let me know what you think about them down below. Subscribe to Rebecca, and I'll see you all soon in the next video. Bye, guys.